In this video, I'm going to show you how I painted this orc. It's what I was planning on telling you, but things don't always go according to plan. My struggles as a new Warhammer content creator, specifically when it comes to filming, is distractions. And here's why. You see, I use my phone for the whole filming process. As most of you know, the problem with that is you have your recordings, but also your distractions from messages, notifications, pings coming through all the time, and it totally throws off my focus. It's like the second I try to get into the zone, my phone reminds me of a million things I need to deal with. And sometimes staying focused is just really tough, and I just get overstimulated. And so it causes a situation like I have in this video, where I have put all this effort into painting the head and showing you how I painted the head, but then that's all I recorded because I got distracted. So, unfortunately, I don't have anything else to show you with this. I need to come up with some strategies to be a better content creator. Maybe turn off my phone's ability to send me messages, but then it takes me hours to create a video. So, I'm not really sure what to do. We live and we learn. Maybe next time I'll actually get some footage. No promises though. If you enjoyed the chaos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you've ever completely failed at filming something, or maybe you might have a suggestion to help me with this whole entire conundrum. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.